we're going to build a career development survey from one of our templates. So we have this template here, career development survey. It's 11 blocks or 11 questions, and it's all about basically getting feedback and getting responses about how people are looking to grow in their careers. So we have a block talking about satisfaction with this current organization that they're part of, satisfaction with training. So let's actually use this template right now. That will take us to the builder. It's going to run every quarter. So let's go in here and say we want it to run quarterly on the 4th Thursday. It's going to run in this time zone. Once it's triggered, we want to give people perhaps a couple weeks in order to respond. There's no real rush here, no real strong deadlines. Allow participants to answer anytime. So this is going to allow users to respond even when this flow is not actively running. So if users are feeling motivated to talk or to reflect on their growth, they'll be able to actually come in here and respond. And then we have all of these different questions, all of these scale blocks that are allowing us to start pulling how satisfied people are feeling along all of these different dimensions. So from here, hit next. When you're pulling from a template, you can either choose to customize your description, customize your title, or you can just go and use it right out of the box. We'll do that in this case. And then, boom, once again, we're in a position where we can start distributing this. So for the career development survey, this is something that's going to be relevant to everyone. So we're going to add our entire organization as participants. And the people who are going to be able to actually use this information, use these responses in order to go and to make change in our organization is probably going to be our C-level management and probably going to be our HR team. So we can go to department, we can go to C-level management, we can go human resources, and then boom. As these responses start coming in, this group of people will be able to jump in, start going and kind of treating each problem or treating each new insight in order to form a plan. Now, here's a question. In a case like this, do we want to be fielding identity or do we want to make this anonymous, right? I think that when people are talking about the development in their career, there's room for them to want to be named such that they can actually get the help that they need. But there's also some feedback that perhaps people are wanting to filter in an unnamed way so as to not spark any backlash. So this might be a great case in which we can make anonymous responses optional. So there we go. We've built our career development survey. And now we understand that because this is running on a scheduled cadence on the 4th Thursday of every quarter, it's going to go out to everyone in the organization. We're going to start being able to field that feedback and start kind of making plans from there.